I came to introduce you to the woman I want to marry.
Sandra! Sandra! Miracle.
You know her already?
Wait, brother. This is the Sandra you've been talking about? The Sandra you've been telling me about, right?
Yes, the one I said I want to get married.
No. You can't marry her.
I don't understand. Why? What's going on here?
Sandra.
Did anything happen between the two of you?
Please. You can't marry her because I don't want you to bring shame into our family. You can't bring shame and disgrace into our family. Never!
What does that mean? How am I bringing shame and disgrace by marrying a woman that I love?
I've said all I have to say. Just take it like that. You can't marry this girl right here. You can't. Never!
Miracle! Do you want to explain what's going on here to me?
She's in the best position to explain.
Excuse me.
You can't marry Sandra. That's all I have to say.
You can't keep saying that. Are you hearing me? Why? Why can't I?
Okay, you remember back then while I was still in the university, right? You remember I do tell you that I am into online business. Like I sell perfumes, handbags,
yes, that's how,
shoes.
Yes, and the business was doing well because you used to be able to support me while I was in school too.
Yes, brother, the truth is that I was never doing any online business, to be honest.
Okay. So what were you doing?
I don't even know how to put this. Okay, my business back then was going to, meet men.
Are you trying to tell me you were into
runs? Something like that, brother.
Sandra was into that as well.
As a matter of fact, she was the one that brought me into the business. Like, she introduced me to men. They sleep with me and...
So this is the reason why you say I can't marry her?
Yes.
Let me ask you one important question.